Hi guys, we are back with another video and today we're gonna talk about why is it okay to have insecurities and please मैं एक चीज़ बोलना पहले ही क्लियर कर दूँ कि I have a bad habit of saying you know and like in between when I'm just talking. See, so please bear with me in that situation. And yes, we're gonna start the video. This video gonna be very short because it's very important to give the video very short and crisp and clear. I hope you guys bear with me with my and like because let's just get into the topic. So this is my one of my favorite topic to talk about because I feel like everyone is suffering from insecurities these days, and I don't know, people are taking this thing very personally, and I feel like you really need to normalize having insecurities. And I feel like that, if you talk about a change, your body is asking any type of change or your personality is asking any sort of change, I feel like only then you need to change yourself if you want the change, not because the another person is asking you to change your personality or anything about your body. It's always about you, so please change yourself only because you want the change, okay? And the fact that we are giving that access or privilege to someone to introduce us to about our insecurities. First thing, having insecurities about our personality or anything related to our body or just in general, I feel like we need to know ourselves first instead of giving people that position in our life where they have the privilege or the access to introduce us to our insecurities. I mean, stop doing that, bro, just stop doing that. And I feel like insecurities are very beautiful जब तक आप उन्हें खुद नहीं पहचानते, अपनी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में अपने आप को जानो। और अपने जो भी जहाँ भी आप किसी भी चीज़ में आपको लगता है कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी में, आपकी बॉडी में कहीं भी कमी है, अगर आपको वो कमी दिख रही है तभी उस चीज़ को ठीक करो, टू वर्क ऑन इट, उस पर काम करो। अगर कोई आपको आके बता रहा है दैट यू लैक हेयर और दे आर पॉइंटिंग आउट ऑन दोज insecurities where you lack and telling you to enhance yourself in that particular place, and you don't feel like doing that, you don't feel like doing that, so why would you do that? Why would you do that? It's okay to take advice from someone, it's okay to listen to someone, but please do it only because you want that, not because they are telling you to do that. So this is one of the things I want to say about when the topic comes to my mind, insecurities. And I can literally talk for hours on this topic, insecurities. I'm not here to preach, I'm just here to talk about my point of view, my thoughts, and if I put this topic, insecurity, on my own self and saying that, oh, I have dark circles, so that doesn't mean that I will count this as an insecurity. Uh, someone can come to me and tell me, oh, you have dark circles, and you should work on it and all that. But what if I'm finding this dark circles normal? What if I'm finding this dark circle normal for my personality, for my body? So I'm gonna straight tell to that person that I feel okay to have dark circle, and if I don't feel okay to have dark circle, I will work on it. So who are you to tell me that work on it? I am the one to tell me that work on yourself, Nancy. So please don't give that access to someone to tell you कि आपको कहाँ काम करना है, आपको कहाँ काम नहीं करना, वो कोई भी नहीं है, ठीक है? About this. So yeah, this is and आई फील लाइक कि यार लोग आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा इस चीज़ को पर्सनली ले रहे हैं, इनसिक्योरिटीज़ को इतना स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं, इतना सब कुछ ले रहे हैं, इतना लाइक I don't want to use this word, but I don't know. People are also suffering from a lot of thing because of this thing, like insecurities, and प्लीज़ आई फील लाइक दैट वी शुड रियली नॉर्मलाइज हैविंग इनसिक्योरिटीज़। लाइक आपकी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो आपके फ्लॉज होते हैं ना, वो आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग बनाते हैं किसी से। एंड अगर आप में कोई फ्लॉ नहीं होगा तो सब एक जैसे होंगे। लाइक एंड इफ़ यू हैव फ्लॉज, सो दिस इज़ व्हाट मेक्स यू अ लिटिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम समवन। एंड your flaws are beautiful. Like I really want to tell you, if like you are really 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 beautiful because of that flaw. Please know that. And yes, this is what I really wanted to share. And I already said that I'm gonna keep the video very short and crisp and clear about this topic, because I'm just a beginner and I don't think किसी को मेरे को सुनना इतना पसंद होगा. But still I made this video because this topic is really 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 close to me. And even in journal, like I'm always talking about this thing with my mother, and how this topic is literally affecting people, like mental health. And कोई भी आके आपको ना कुछ भी बोल जाएगा, एंड वो बंदा नहीं समझेगा कि उस चीज़ का क्या असर पड़ता है आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ पे, को कैसा फील होता है। वो कुछ सेकंड्स में कुछ ही बोल के चला जाएगा आपको, बट आपके ऊपर जो चीज़ का असर पड़ेगा वो बहुत एक लॉन्ग पीरियड तक के लिए पड़ेगा। तो यू नो और उस मोमेंट में आपको ये रियलाइज़ होगा कि आप कैसे उस बंदे को, उस इंसान को आपने वो चांस दिया है, वो एक्सेस दिया है कि वो आपको कुछ भी बोल के जा सकता है, और आप उस चीज़ को अपने मेंटल हेल्थ को अफेक्ट करने दे रहे हो। बिकॉज some people are really really temporary in our life, and we are giving those privilege to those temporary people कि भाई तुम आओ, हमें कुछ भी बोल के जाओ, और हम आपके जो वर्ड्स हैं, दो शिटी वर्ड्स, हम उनको अपने दिमाग पे अफेक्ट होने देंगे। सो प्लीज़ स्टॉप डूइंग दैट। एंड या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से। एंड I just want to know your POV on this topic. And मुझे नहीं पता कि मुझे, दिस इज़ जस्ट माई POV। मैं सही भी हो सकती हूँ, गलत भी हो सकती हूँ। एंड प्लीज़ कुछ भी इस वीडियो में कुछ भी पॉइंट तुम्हें कुछ भी लॉजिकल लगाओ तो देन प्लीज़ लीव अ कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. I would love to read it and reply to it. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna come back with another video, and I hope if this video helped you in any way, please know that uh, you are beautiful. You are beautiful because of that flaw, and please change anything about your personality only if you are willing to change that part. Yes. Bye, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment section. And I hope मैंने ज़्यादा like ना बोला हो. Okay, bye.